How to do email marketing using Klaviyo. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do email marketing using Klaviyo. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is of course go to klaviyo.com and you will get to this platform right here. Klaviyo is one of the very famous email and SMS marketing platform that allows you to create high quality professional email marketing campaigns and also SMS marketing campaigns. We get a lot of different options and tools that we need. We get integrations. We can integrate our stores and directly do email marketing on Klaviyo. So let me show you how to sign up if you do not have an account on Klaviyo. It's really easy to get an account. Click on sign up and it will take you to the sign up window. You can sign up for free. All you need to do is enter your email address, then your password, company name, website name, and then we have phone number, and then you just agree to terms and condition, click on create account, and your brand new account is created on Klaviyo. So if you already have an account or you just created an account, after the initial sign up or log in, this is where you will get. This is our Klaviyo, and you can see it's a pretty, very easy platform to use, and it has all the right features and tools. So you can see we have a dashboard here. So this is going to be our main dashboard where we get objectives, performance, list and segment, activity feed. So this is like going to be a quick access to these options. And then we also get our integration right here if you like. And then we have take the first SMS. So you can just ignore these options for now because I'll show you everything you need to know. This is our main menu here, and we have campaigns, flows, email templates, sign-up form, SMS conversations, profile analytics integration, and more. So today we're going to be focusing on how to create an email marketing campaign using Klaviyo. So let's just get into it. First of all, I just need to show you that if you go to email templates, this is where you will be able to find a lot of templates from Klaviyo and the templates that you create. So if you are creating an email by yourself from the scratch or using a template and creating an email, then you will be able to find all of your different templates that you're using right here. But to create an email marketing campaign, you will have to go to the campaign option right here. It will take you to the campaign dashboard on Klaviyo. So here you can see I will be able to check my previous campaigns that I have created, and then we have new campaign option here. So I will click on create campaign. So now we have two options. We have email and SMS. So today we're going to be creating an email campaign. So I'm just going to select email, click on create campaign, and it will take me to my overview and content. So creating an email marketing campaign on Klaviyo will require three steps. We have recipients, then we have content, and then we have overview. So this is our first step, which is the content. And here you need to change the name for your campaign. So I'm just going to call it test, and then we have different tags. So we can create different tags on Klaviyo to organize and customize our different campaigns. Then we have recipients, sent to. So here I will find all of my lists that I have created. So I'm just going to select this one. Then we have don't send to. This is optional. You can choose a list or a segment where you do not want to send this email. Then we have estimated recipients here and tracking. So if you want to add a tracking parameter, you can just go with this one. But for now, I think this is like the basic things that you need to do. Click on continue to content and it will take you to select your editor. So this is our campaign's content creator, and here I will be able to, do different settings about the content. Subject line. So for subject line, I'm just going to go with the word test for now, and then in preview text, again, I'm just going to write new test email. Then we have sender names. So this is where I will be able to check my company's name, which is this. So now then we have sender email, and then we have to select what kind of designing we're looking for. So we have drag and drop, text only, and HTML. I prefer drag and drop because it's really easy and it helps you create a very professional campaign. You can keep track of all the contents. Once you select the editor, then you will get to the template library on Klaviyo. On Klaviyo, we have hundreds of different templates to choose from, and we can choose any of these and we can get started with any of the campaign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create an email marketing campaign for my product. So there must be a product template, product launch template, or we can customize it the way we like. All right, so I'm gonna go with this one and just select the template. It will open up the editor. So here we have our template, and you can see this is one of the product templates. And here we have blocks. In blocks, we have text, image, button, headers, and more. Then we have styles and preview. So let's get into editing our email. So what I need to do is first get rid of some of the things on my template so that I can organize it and then work with my things. So what I'm going to do is to delete a different sections. You just click on the section. So our template has been loaded. You can see here I will be able to customize it. We have blocks, and in blocks we have text, image, button, table, and others. So we can get started and we can just, customize it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add a text right here above, and we're just going to type in the name for our channel, or you can upload a logo as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in the name. This is just like our company name, you can say. So that is why I'm just gonna also make it a little bigger. There you go. Click on save once you're done, and there you go, we have our text. Now we have this section right here, which is like a blank header. It's an image, and I think it looks pretty. So that is why I'm not gonna delete this section and move on to the next. So the next we have an image section. Of course, I do not want this image. I want another image from my library. So you can click on replace image and then go to your library. If you already have uploaded that image, you will be able to find it here, or you can just go to upload and upload from your computer. So I already have that image in my image library. I'm gonna click on select, and it will be added right here within my email. Click on save. So you can see I'm creating for our channel. Let's go with our channel campaign instead of a product campaign. Now we have this text here, so I'm gonna change this text. Of course, this is what the text says. Tell us your favorite for a change to win. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in subscribe to the YouTube channel, and then the text below can say the same thing. So I'm just gonna click on save. Moving on, we have this thing right here. This is what's going on. Now I don't want this, so I will have to delete these sections. Just click on it, click on delete block, and it will be deleted. It will just take a little time to kind of get rid of these, and we have a button. So now we have this here, and it looks pretty good. I need to add my few of the things here now. I will go with buttons, or social links. Let's go with social links. Drag and drop right here where you want to insert the block. Once you insert it, then we need to add different URLs and add different buttons. So in type, we're gonna go with Facebook. Now we have Facebook. Add the URL, click on add button again, and this time I'm going with Pinterest. Perfect. Let's add another button, and I'm gonna go with YouTube. Let's add another one, and this time I am going with Instagram. So we have 4 social links here, and they will be added to my template right here. Very, kind of visible buttons we have, and all you need to do is add links. So click on save, it will be saved. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a horizontal line here, which is going to be like a divider. Click on save. Similarly, we can add a spacer now. So for spacer, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add it right here, and it will be like a space between my different blocks. Perfect. And then we can add our final text. So I'm just going to insert a box right here, and we can insert any kind of text here. So once it's done, your footer is actually going to be from your details that you added. Right here in the recipient, so don't worry about it. So this is our campaign right here. Click on save content, and it will be saved. You can get a preview as well. You can also customize these styles if you like. Once you're done, then you will move on to the next phase, which is going to be the review. So in review, I will be able to check all of my different, contents and my details of my email campaign. Now you can see everything is done. And if you're missing any link, link, it will just show you. Click on schedule or send. You will be able to schedule your email and you can choose a date and time, or you can send right now. So I'm going to click on send now. Click on send, and there you go. My email campaign has been sent to the list that I select. And that is how easy it is to create an email marketing campaign using Klaviyo. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Klaviyo to create email marketing campaigns. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.